Hello, in this video I want to show you an application useful for creating multi-level assembly, either from scratch or from all Catpart files. We have a very simple interface with a table and the possibility to define our name, status and revision. In this example I will name each field. Training, prototype and revision 1. Now we can create from scratch if we want. Part 1, part 2, a sub-assembly maybe, part 3 and maybe part 1. This part will be copied from first level to this level. As you see, the assembly structure is defined. We have inside the geometrical set because we have the checkbox selected and also the parameters that we want. If we want to add in our structure from an all-cut part, maybe some bodies, we have the possibility to scan our window, add the body to list. If this list is not clear enough, we can add pictures. We will have each picture for each body defined. And now we can create our multi-level from the all-cut part. First, we can add the level 1 if we want, or we can create 2 sub-assemblies maybe, or a part with 2 sub-assemblies, and also add each component in the desired position. Okay, this is for the main text. And then the sub-assembly 2 will be defined with CATIA V5 R19 and Visual Basic. If we need more levels, we can add them, or if we need more rows. After we define the layout, we will create our complete structure. Each part will be copied with the color properties that was set in all cut part. Now we have a part and 2 sub-assemblies.